Will, full severance package and a book deal. Total non-disclosure.
Uh-huh.
Okay, boys, get his stuff.
I'm gonna miss you, Will.
Why would you do that?
He wants to spend more time with his family.
십수년간 몸담았던 회사를 떠나는 주인공 윌, 가족들과 함께 지내며 집필에 집중해보겠다는 다짐이었지만 동고동락을 함께한 동료들이 있어 쉽사리 발이 떨어지지 않았고
Best contractor in Fairfield County. Can't do it all by yourself.
Good luck.
많은 인파들로 가득 찬 도시에서는 영감을 얻기 적합치 않다는 판단. 도심을 벗어나 제법 여유로움이 느껴지는 교외의 작은 마을에 터를 잡았는데요.
Hey, Aidenton. Will, I found your house.
Yes, sorry.
Bramble Branch. A cab in this weather? Come on, I'll give you a lift. Okay, here we are. Enjoy your new home. Oh! You gave me a fright. What? You did it. Oh, you did it. I'm so
언제나 나의 뜻을 존중해주고 나만을 바라보는 아내 리비.
Oh, what's this?
Oh, this is the kids' painting.
Have the children gone to bed?
Yeah, the children are they're very tired.
This is a new cushion, I see.
두 눈에 넣어도 아프지 않을 트리시와 디디까지 직장에 있는 시간조차 아까울 만큼 행복한 일상을 살아가고 있었죠.
Tell me what this novel's about.
If I tell you about it, then it all disappears, doesn't it?
But I can see the characters, Libby, just as clearly as I can see you now.
Thanks for the flowers.
When I didn't give them to you,
Oh, I found them on the porch this morning.
I probably from a secret admirer, some gentleman caller, leaving you flowers on the doorstep.
I feel so safe when you're here.
Well, I'm not going to go anywhere.
You okay? You have her back by 9?
Oh, for Christ's sake, I know the drill.
Bye.
벌레 보듯 바라보는 옆집 남자와 그의 아내로 추정되는 여인의 더 의미심장한 표정. 지난밤 나이스한 첫인상의 온기는 이내 곧 사라져버렸고
Will, come here. Did you look at that? You know what? I'm not gonna paint over it. Wonder where they are now.
Driving their parents insane.
그런데 그날 저녁
Enter.
Brought you some tea.
Hey, Dee Dee, leave Daddy alone. He's writing. Come on.
Mama, Daddy, I want to go home to my own house.
So scared about it. What's going on?
Mom, she saw a man in the window.
Show me.
He was right there.
What? Look at the window.
창문에 반사된 모습에 지레 겁을 먹어버렸고 오랫동안 방치되었던 낡은 어닝까지 날이 밝는 대로 수리에 돌입하기로 하는데요. 그런데 그 어디에서도 발자국의 행방을 찾을 순 없었죠.
You okay? Come on, you're worried about something. Tell me what's going on.
Stay like that forever.
Sorry. No, not possible. Not forever.
Shucks.
그런데 그날 새벽 문단속을 재정비했음에도 희미하게 들려오는 작은 소리들. 결국 소리를 쫓아 지하실로 향할 수밖에 없었는데요. 그런데 잠시 후
Daddy, aren't you gonna kill us again?
What are you doing in there?
No, anybody lived here.
I live there. Well, what are you doing down there?
It's because of the murders. Come on, man. The whole family got murdered.
He's back. Sing about. Go back to bed. I'll be up in a minute.
엄청난 영감을 안겨줄 거라 생각했었던 집이 알고 보니 집단 살인이 일어난 소름 돋는 장소였던 것. 이건 명백한 매매 사기라고 주장해보지만 경찰들은 내 알바 아니라며 콧방귀만 뀌고 있었는데요.
New Ashford is a safe town now.
Have a nice day.
Libby? Libby?
In here. She heard the kid from across the street.
Everybody who lives in this house gets.
Why would she say something like that?
이 집안에는 행복 대신 공포라는 그림자가 드리우기 시작하죠.
Look, were you, talking on your phone? Can I didn't mean to upset your daughter, but I know she didn't do it on purpose.
I'll talk to her.
Thank you.
You know, it was the 5th anniversary a few days ago.
Did you leave some flowers on our porch?
No.
Right. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
그리고 그날 새벽
What are you doing?
I'm just covering this up. I couldn't sleep.
Who's Peter Ward? Why didn't you just tell me?
Because I didn't want you to worry.
Just knew we shouldn't have moved out of the city. There's something wrong with this house.
No, we'll do whatever it takes. We'll hire a priest. Well, that's a whole witch doctor, whatever. I don't know. We'll feng shui the place.
겨우 아내의 놀란 가슴을 진정시키나 싶던 그때
What is that out there? There.
Hey! Go in!
Will!
Go back in the house!
얼마 전 디디가 보았다던 사람의 실체였을까. 하지만 그 어디에서도 그의 행방을 쫓을 순 없었고
Girls! Dee Dee? Trish! Girls?
그런데 더 어이없는 건 아이들의 행방을 도무지 찾을 수 없었는데
Libby?
What?
아침 대바람부터 소꿉장난의 한창이었던 것. 다름 아닌 이 비밀스런 공간이 무참히 살해당한 아이들의 놀이방이었단 사실을 알 수 있었는데요.
How could the neighbors not have said anything to us? I don't care about property prices, that's all.
He shot the little one in the back.
그리고 며칠 후
I brought you some stew.
That's incredibly generous. Come in.
Ann Patterson.
Come down, say hello.
Down in a minute. I should go.
Okay. Anne, did you know the people who used to live here?
This is where the mother was shot.
친절을 베푼 이웃을 나몰라라 하는 아내에게 한마디 하려 했지만 같은 시간 리비는 그날의 참혹한 현장들과 마주하고 있었던 것. 점차 중독되어 가듯 그 사건에 집착을 보이기 시작했고 진실을 밝혀내야만 실체 없는 공포로부터 벗어날 수 있을 거라는 판단, 해당 치료시설을 찾을 수밖에 없었죠.
You got the release papers for me?
I need to talk to you about one of your clients.
You need to speak to Mrs. O'Brien. You can just have a seat over there. I said you could have a seat.
Yeah. Right, thank you.
하지만 정식 절차를 밟는다고 한들 쉽사리 면회가 허락되지는 않을 것만 같은 느낌. 결국 무작정 피터의 병실로의 걸음을 옮기기로 하는데요. 그런데
What are you doing with my stuff?
Where'd you get this?
Calm down.
Where did you get it? Or I'll kill you!
Peter Ward? There's no Peter Ward here. No. I'm Martin. Look, Peter Ward's out there, man.
정신병자 살인마가 얼마 전 출소했다는 충격적인 이야기. 하지만 가뜩이나 겁에 질려있는 가족들에게 차마 이 사실을 고지고대로 털어놓을 수는 없었는데요.
Was Ward at Harkness house, yes or no? And the kids just saw him.
They're imagining.
그런데 잠시 후
Kids, go upstairs now and lock the door!
I know who you are, Ward!
Will!
guy's driving a maroon Buick.
웬일로 때마침 도착한 경찰에 잠시 안도했지만 아니나 다를까 실질적인 피해가 아무것도 없다며 사건 종결.
Why are they not helping us?
지푸라기 잡는 심정으로 피터가 최초로 몸담았던 의료시설을 찾게 되죠.
Peter Ward. I'm just trying to protect my family. What's that?
It's a gunshot wound.
I don't understand. Who shot him?
His wife.
가족을 지켜야 한다는 절실함, 피터의 상흔에서 그날의 처절함을 느낄 수 있었고
Rewind that a little, just to. That's Ann Patterson.
I knew she knew it. Let's go on. You'll understand.
어느 순간부터 자기 자신을 부정하기 시작했다는 사실을 알 수 있었는데요.
And invented a new name. Now I want to show you something I showed you earlier, from 5 years ago.
Peter Ward, that's me.
You lived in this institution for 5 years, Peter.
No, I'm not Peter Ward. I'm Willie Denton.
W11L becomes Will. The numbers 8, 10, 10 become 8 and...
I don't believe any of this.
I'm sure the scar where your wife shot you is still there.
That would mean that... No. I left my wife and my family at home this morning.
You murdered your wife and family 5 years ago.
You're a liar.
Hello? Hi, where are you?
Nothing's wrong. I'm fine. I love you, Libby. Will you just hold on just a minute? Would you like to talk to my wife?
No.
이런 짓에 진절머리가 난다는 듯 무대응으로 일축, 결국 피터가 되어버린 윌은 걸음을 옮길 수밖에 없었고
Mr. A.
How's the novel?
Am I in it?
The even numbers always come back.
극 초반부 등장한 회사 동료들 역시 감호시설에서 함께한 환자와 병원 관계자들이었던 것. 일순간 멘탈이 산산조각 날 수밖에 없었고 그 어디에서도 사랑하는 아내와 딸아이를 찾을 수 없는 폐가가 되어버린 옛 집과 마주할 수 있었는데요. 그런데 잠시 후
Well, are you okay? You are seriously hot. You've got a fever. You're not well. What happened to you at Greenhaven?
They told me that you're not really here.
Okay, well, now you...
I'm Peter Ward.
Do not say that. You have a fever, and this is the fever talking. Okay?
Tell me your name. Your real name.
Beatrice. We leave off the front.
Okay.
Catherine. Now everybody calls her Dee Dee.
You're Elizabeth Ward.
이제서야 맞춰지기 시작하는 진실의 조각들. 이 집안 곳곳 새겨져 있는 아이들의 흔적들이 사실은 우리 아이들의 발자취였고 내가 이들을 살해한 잔인무도한 범죄자였던 것. 하지만 전혀 예기치 못한 죽음 때문이었을까 아니면 원한 때문인 걸까. 자신들이 죽었다는 사실을 받아들이지 못하고 있었는데요.
Will, come here! Oh, God. They've caught your fever.
My soul hurts. I can't breathe. On my shoulder too.
서서히 드러나기 시작한 그날의 상흔. 그럼에도 리비는 현실을 직시하지 못했고
There's a bullet wound. Look at her back.
Oh, my God. Oh, God. I need you to help, please. Please, she's not... Dee Dee, oh, God, Will, she's cold. Why are you just standing there? Wake up! Wake up!
Libby, they're dead. You're dead.
나와 아이들이 망자가 되었다는 도무지 믿기 어려운 현실과 마주해야만 했던 그때
Yes, sir. Good evening. I wonder if you'd take a look at this for me, please.
This is my home.
It's not fit for habitation, Mr. Ward.
Libby. Libby!
You do this?
You don't remember me.
Yeah, I remember you were here, and you were at Greenhaven.
You really see them.
They're there. Look.
They're buried at New Ashford Cemetery.
그녀도 나를 미치광이 취급한다는 사실에 실망하게 되지만 그것도 잠시. 그럼에도 이 상황에서 유일하게 나를 도울 수 있는 존재. 결국 앤에게 도움을 청하게 되죠.
Where were you that night?
I was alone here at the house.
Why did you visit me in Greenhaven?
I was your neighbor from across the street. Libby was my best friend. You told me you were well attended. What was I gonna say?
그나마 다행인 점은 내가 살인을 저지르지 않았다는 앤의 믿음.
You need a bath.
I guess I'll run him a bath.
Mom says you see them.
Yeah.
Are they older?
No, they're not.
Could you tell them how much I miss them?
Well, did you leave the plant?
It was the anniversary.
Go get in the car, honey.
지역 주민들은 물론이고 시설의 관계자들 모두 나를 범인이라 단정했지만 절대 그럴 리 없다는 앤의 증언. 누구의 말이 진실이고 거짓인지 피터 스스로도 혼란에 빠져들기 시작하던 그때
I've heard Peter Ward's been in our house. Come on, Chloe, get your stuff.
She's not yours till Friday.
Chloe.
No, it's fine, Mom. I'll go. It's okay. It's fine.
범죄자를 집에 들였다며 노발대발을 시전, 의도치 않게 난처한 상황을 만들어버렸고
I should go after her, but Dr. Greeley.
나의 치료를 전담했던 박사의 연락처를 받을 수 있었죠.
Why did you release me?
I had no choice. There was no evidence against you.
You think I did it?
I honestly don't know.
내가 절대 살인을 저지르지 않았다는 앤의 증언에 이어 나의 범죄를 입증할 만한 그 어떠한 증거도 찾아내지 못했다는 사실까지. 나 스스로가 나의 억울함을 밝혀야 한다는 결론에 다다르게 되는데요. 그런데 잠시 후
Oh, I hate it when you leave.
The girls have been waiting for you.
I love you. Sleep tight.
Tell me what you know about that night.
I came out because I knew it was you. And then I fell. The kids were lying there and they were so still.
What else? What else do you remember?
You shot me.
No, I shot the girls.
You shot me.
No.
It's a scar.
자신이 남긴 상처조차 기억하지 못하는 답답한 상황이 계속되던 그때
The children, they're gone. Libby is dead, and you need to let them go. It was a mistake coming back here. It'll drive you crazy.
How did she die, Anne? Tell me how she died.
Libby loved you. She'd want you to let her go. You have to let her go now, Peter.
Where are you? I can hear you. I heard you coming. Is that you downstairs?
Daddy's home. Mommy?
What?
Okay, kids, don't move. Put down the gun, please. Put the gun down, please.
내가 범죄를 저지르지 않았다는 그날의 기억이 되살아나게 되는데요.
Hello, Peter Ward.
그런데 잠시 후
Jack, you killed them.
Get the chloroform! Now!
It should have been so simple.
I went to the wrong house.
First right on Bramble Branch. Third house.
I'm looking at Jack's wife right now.
Who's she talking to?
Maybe that young boyfriend you were talking about.
클로이를 독차지하고 싶은 마음이 앞선 나머지 킬러를 고용해 아내를 살해하려 했지만 문제는 이 일대의 집들이 너무나도 닮아 있었다는 사실. 결국 리비를 앤으로 착각한 나머지 일가족을 살해하는 결과로 이어져 버렸고
Child killer.
Come on. Chloe collects, I collect.
완전 범죄를 꾀할 수 있다는 확신. 자신이 고용한 청부살인범도 담가버리게 되는데요.
Now the board's back. They get another shot.
Peter? Peter! Wake up, Peter!
결정적 순간 흐릿해져가는 의식을 되살려준 아내의 음성. 이로써 모든 위기로부터 벗어났다는 안도의 한숨도 잠시.
Peter! No!
What are you doing? Get out of here.
I don't want to lose you.
You have to go.
You be good.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you.
I love you. I'll always be with you. But you know that.
블록버스터급 호화 캐스팅을 자랑했지만 감독과 제작사의 불화, 그리고 최종 편집본에 대한 배우들의 불만까지 여러 악재들이 겹치며 손익분기점을 넘기지 못한 그렇게 드림하우스는 비운의 작품으로 기록될 수밖에 없었는데요. 저 역시 이 작품의 만듦새를 칭찬하기는 어렵지만 진실을 밝혀나가는 과정에서의 소소한 반전과 서로를 너무나 사랑하기에 보내줘야만 하는 역설적인 장면에서 콧등이 시렸던 작품. 여러분들은 어떠셨나요?